Hi, and welcome to your Wellness Wednesday video. Today, the essence that came up is the essence of holly, and it came up to help us with feeling unity and wholeness. This essence came up under the area of joy, which I think is beautiful. And what it talks about under joy is the inability to feel happiness for another person. And it releases that inability because at the core of that is competition, envy, jealousy, all of those things. And so what it does is it restores that sense of wholeness within so that you can feel joy and excitement for other people, for their accomplishments, for yourself even too. And so it's a beautiful essence. It really is for the heart chakra. It is about, at a deeper level, it's about emotional freedom. It's about creating that wholeness within and love within so that you don't feel a need to compete with others or feel envious or jealous of others because you feel whole within. And so it is such a beautiful, and I just feel this beautiful warmth around me with this essence. There are so many levels where we feel we're in competition, even with ourselves quite a bit too. And so I feel like this one is such a peaceful, beautiful offering today from the essences to help us really come back to our wholeness so that we can truly see each other and see the accomplishments and see the beauty of everyone else around us without having to compare ourselves in one way or another. So if this resonates, you can simply call Holly in by taking a deep breath, feeling into your body, and repeat after me. I ask for the flower essence of holly to enter my energy fields, energy body, and physical consciousness with the help of the divine. I ask for the flower essence of holly to assist me with feeling unity and wholeness from within. I'm releasing a need for competition, jealousy, or envy. I ask for the flower essence of holly to manifest, to integrate. And then wherever you may feel the energy coming in, feeling it quite heavy in the heart chakra right now, and stabilize. And then just breathe and let that energy come in. Feel it, and if you feel like you want to call it in again, you can definitely do that, or however often you feel like you want to. As always, if you're willing and wanting to deepen your soul journey and get some conscious understanding of what kind of may be moving through you, I know it's been a lot, then book a soul alignment session and we can definitely follow the path that your soul has carved out for you step by step by step. You can reach out to me on any of my socials, and in the meantime, much love, take care,